stop guessing on the udon recipe in Craft Food. This is exactly how you cook it perfectly without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they mistake the udon noodles for basic ramen, which leads to a failed dish and a massive waste of your hard-earned ingredients. Before we enter the kitchen, you need to understand the cooking logic, or you will just get stuck with a ruined order again. Here at Rexish, we know you need to serve your customers and boost your rating right now, so we're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. This recipe is designed to be a high-profit item, but the secret trick that other creators missed is that you must interact with the dough station twice to get the thick noodle texture required for udon specifically. You need to combine 1 portion of flour, 1 bottle of dashi broth, and 1 green onion at the stovetop station to trigger the successful cook animation. This method clears the recipe check and tells the game engine to grant you a high-tier gold bonus instantly without any technical headaches. This is the fastest way to level up your cooking skill and makes your restaurant operation feel snappy and reliable again. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these Roblox cooking puzzles, so you can stay at the top of the leaderboard and stress-free. If you want the secret recipe for tempura or the fastest way to farm flour, just leave a comment below.